In the next graph charts, we can see the sales of magazine James Julia Fashion and the age between the readers. As we can see in the charts, the main readers of the magazine in the latest years has increased between the ones that have 25 to 50 years. So the readers are young people between that ages, but it also has decreased the sales in the last year in 2011. It increased from 2008 to 2009, and in 2010 it has been like the greatest sales of the magazines, but the last year it decreased like 5% of the sales. We can also see that the people that doesn't buy the magazine as the ones that have 25 and 50 years are the ones over 50 years are the less interested in this kind of magazine and the information that it brings to us.